Meaning of identity.
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 Identity. Identity refers to the characteristics and qualities that define an individual or group. It encompasses aspects such as gender, race, ethnicity, culture, beliefs, values, and personality. One's identity is shaped by personal experiences, social interactions, and external influences such as media and societal norms. An individual's understanding and expression of their identity can evolve over time and may be influenced by factors such as age, relationships, and life events. Overall, identity is a complex and multifaceted concept that plays a significant role in shaping how individuals perceive themselves and interact with others.